Hello and welcome to Simplicity in Stocks. The Indian drone industry has strong growth prospects. It's driven by commercial applications, favorable regulations, and innovation. It has been reported in the media that the industry could help unlock up to $23 billion in manufacturing potential by the year 2030. Here are some of the factors that are driving the growth. Strong government policy support, including liberalized DGCA drone regulations, PLI schemes for local manufacturing, and major initiatives like Drone Shakti. The defense sector is also a major consumer, with military drone revenue projected to reach $4.5 billion by 2030, growing at a CAGR of nearly 17%. Agriculture, precision farming, and crop monitoring are emerging as high potential growth areas. Drone makers expect agriculture to become the largest consumer of drones by 2030. Others include infrastructure surveying, smart city monitoring, energy sector inspections, healthcare logistics, and digital mapping. As the industry grows rapidly, many companies are set to benefit. Three prominent firms in the listed midcap space are likely to emerge as prominent players. In this video, we will look at these three businesses and their growth prospects. For the purpose of determining mid-cap, we have taken stocks that have a market cap between 50 and 250 billion rupees. Please note that this video is for information purposes only. It's not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. Zen Technologies. Zen Technologies has made a name for itself. It specializes in land-based force simulation training, creating cutting-edge simulators that let military personnel practice for real-world scenarios in secure environments. In the drone industry, Zen Technologies Counter Unmanned Aerial System or CUAS offers an anti-drone solution that addresses security threats posed by unauthorized drone operations. The multi-layered, multi-sensor architecture of this CUAS is designed to identify, categorize, and eliminate aerial threats. This ensures situational awareness in a variety of operational areas via early warning detection and a reliable tracking of both remotely operated and autonomous drones. In the last few years, revenue has grown at a CAGR of 140.8% and net profit by 385.9%. In FY25, Zen Technologies recorded its highest ever revenue and profit, driven by strong execution and demand across core business areas. For the quarter ended September 2025, the company reported revenues of 1,736 million against 2,418 million year on year. Net profits dipped slightly to rupees 620 million from rupees 634 million year on year. The management expects FY26 to be a measured year in financial terms, driven largely by the timing and order inflows and execution cycles. They aim for a cumulative revenue of rupees 60 billion across FY26, 27 and 28. In this regard, the company has made strategic acquisitions in marine simulation, drone propulsion, and AI-driven robotics to expand its capabilities. Ratan India Enterprises. Ratan India Enterprises is an Indian company focused on technology-driven new age businesses in high-growth sectors. Its areas of operation include e-commerce, electric vehicles, fintech, and drones. NeoSky is the company's drone business. Leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, NeoSky helps in crowd monitoring, vehicle detection, number plate recognition, and fire detection. The business achieved big milestones in FY25. The company supplied next generation drone solutions to the Indian Armed Forces and expanded deployments in forestry applications and at premier academic institutions. High altitude trials with the Indian Army, night surveillance operations with the BSF, and deployments at the Mahakumbh 2025 showcase the versatility and reliability of its platforms. The company has delivered a good performance over the last 2 years. In the September 2025 quarter, it reported revenues of rupees 21,239 million versus rupees 18,006 million year on year. However, in the quarter, the company reported a loss. 3. Paras Defense and Space Technologies. Paras Defense and Space Technologies supplies critical components such as submarine periscopes, avionics glass suites for aircraft, and high performance optical systems, including for unmanned aerial vehicles and anti drone devices. The company holds a near monopoly in indigenous critical imaging components for the space and defense applications. On the drones front, Paras Haven Advanced Drones Private Limited is a newly incorporated subsidiary of the company. This is a joint venture between Paras Defense 51% and Israel-based Haven Technology. This is a joint venture between Paras Defense 51% and Israel-based Haven Drones 49%. It focuses on logistics and cargo drones in India. These drones are designed for both defense and civilian applications with a payload capacity ranging from 10 to 40 kg. A feature of this JV is hydrogen powered technology, which offers significantly longer flight endurance compared to traditional battery powered drones. The company reported revenue of rupees 1057 million in the second quarter of FY26 against 871 million rupees year on year. It reported a net profit of 195 million versus 127 million year on year. Revenues were up 21%, while net profits grew 53%. It also secured international orders, including contracts for anti drone technology. Growing demand for drone, counter drone, and surveillance technologies enhances the defense focused drone market segment in India. Investing in drone related stocks can tap into a high growth sector with promising return potential. However, it requires careful selection based on financial health, technological capabilities, order pipelines, market positioning, and alignment with government policies. Investors should evaluate the company's fundamentals, corporate governance, and valuations of the stock as key factors when conducting due diligence before making any investment decision. Happy investing.